We'll be sharing with you the top 5 digital products that have the potential to make you rich. So, if you're looking to start an online business or simply generate passive income, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in. We will start from number 5. Online courses. Online courses have revolutionized the way we learn and acquire new skills. The beauty of this digital product lies in its scalability and accessibility. As an aspiring course creator, you have the freedom to choose your niche and tailor your content to suit your target audience's needs. The key to success here is to craft courses that not only impart knowledge but also engage and empower learners. Utilize multimedia elements like videos, quizzes, and interactive exercises to create a captivating learning experience. Additionally, keep yourself updated with industry trends and incorporate real-world applications into your curriculum. Remember, the reputation of your online courses will ultimately determine your financial success, so focus on delivering value and building a loyal community of learners. Number 4 on our list is software as a service, also known as SaaS products. Software as a service have become a driving force behind the digital revolution. The beauty of SaaS lies in its ability to provide innovative solutions to common problems. To create a successful SaaS product, start by identifying a pain point that businesses or individuals face. It could be anything from project management to customer relationship management or even marketing automation. Then, focus on developing a user-friendly and intuitive software application that addresses this pain point effectively. By adopting a subscription-based pricing model, you can ensure a steady stream of income while also providing regular updates and improvements to your users. The scalability of SaaS allows you to reach a global market, and with the right marketing strategies, your product can gain traction and generate substantial wealth. So, if you have coding skills or can collaborate with developers, don't miss out on the opportunity to create a profitable SaaS product. Number 3 is mobile apps. Mobile apps have become an integral part of our daily lives, offering convenience, entertainment, and productivity at our fingertips. If you have a unique idea for a mobile app, you have the potential to tap into a thriving market. When developing your app, focus on solving a specific problem or providing entertainment value to your target audience. Conduct thorough market research to understand the needs and preferences of your potential users. Then, create a seamless and user-friendly interface that enhances the overall experience. Monetization strategies can include in-app purchases, where users can unlock additional features or content, or integrating advertisements to generate revenue. Another approach is offering a freemium model, where a basic version of the app is free, but users can upgrade to a premium version for enhanced functionality. Remember, a well-executed marketing and user acquisition strategy will be crucial in gaining traction and maximizing your app's revenue potential. So, if you have a brilliant app idea, don't hesitate to dive into the mobile app market and seize the opportunity to make a significant impact and financial success. Number 2 on our list is digital marketing services. The rise of the digital age has transformed the way businesses operate and connect with their customers. As companies strive to establish a strong online presence, the demand for digital marketing services has surged. If you possess skills in social media management, search engine optimization, content creation, or advertising, you have the opportunity to offer your expertise to businesses in need. Effective digital marketing strategies can propel businesses to new heights, increase brand visibility, and drive sales. By understanding the target audience, developing compelling content, and utilizing various online marketing channels, you can help companies achieve their goals. Whether it's managing social media accounts, optimizing websites for search engines, or running targeted ad campaigns, your digital marketing skills can be monetized. By providing valuable services and delivering measurable results, you can build a solid client base and generate substantial income. So, if you have a knack for digital marketing, seize the opportunity to make a significant impact on businesses while securing your own financial success. 1. Ebooks. And now we come to the number one digital product that can pave the way to financial prosperity: ebooks. Despite the advancements in technology, the demand for ebooks remains strong, making it an evergreen opportunity for aspiring writers. If you have a passion for writing and possess expertise in a particular subject or have a captivating story to share, creating an ebook can be an excellent path to success. Self-publishing platforms have made it incredibly accessible for writers to bring their work to the market. With a well-crafted ebook and effective marketing strategies, you can reach a vast audience and generate substantial income. The beauty of ebooks lies in their ability to generate passive income. Once your ebook is published and available for purchase, it can continue to generate revenue for years to come, providing you with a steady stream of income. So, if you have a story to tell or knowledge to share, don't underestimate the power of ebooks in helping you achieve financial abundance. Embrace your writing talent, leverage the tools and platforms available, and embark on your journey to becoming a successful ebook author. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 digital products that can make you rich. Remember, success in the digital world requires hard work, dedication, and a solid marketing strategy. If you're passionate about any of these products and are willing to put in the effort, the potential for financial freedom is within your grasp. That's all for today's video. If you found this information helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. As always, feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.